Learn how to efficiently undo actions from a user's history with the Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. In order to view actions made by the user in the Visits section, click the History icon as highlighted in green. The user history page will open and display each action. Each row on the page represents an action by the user. The Actions column is highlighted in red. You have two options to locate the action, in the search bar as highlighted in blue or scrolling through the history rows. To delete the action, click on the row to delete and the trash icon will appear, then click on the trash icon as highlighted in green to delete this action. To authorize this action, insert your manager PIN code and the reason for this deletion. Then click on Submit button. The user history page will appear with a new entry showing the reversal as highlighted in red of the original action. Thanks for watching.